Welcome everyone. In this session, we are going to measure natural frequency of the cantilever beam with the help of FFT analyzer. So this is nothing but your experimental setup. This is your computer. It is a data acquisition system, and whatever FFT analyzer we are seeing is this one. This is 8-channel FFT analyzer. But for our experiment, we are making a use of only one channel. So here there are total 8 channels for the FFT analyzer, and this FFT analyzer is of the company called Davisoft. Okay, and accelerometer used to measure the signal is this one. Okay, now working of FFT analyzer and accelerometer is already covered in the your syllabus. Now we will start the procedure how to measure the natural frequency. Okay, so we will open the software called Davisoft. This is nothing but a software, Davisoft X2. So I will double click on this. So one window will open. Okay, so under this window we need to do the channel setup. Okay, so here it is showing 8 channels right from AI1 to AI8. Okay, but we had connected our accelerometer with this first channel AI1. Okay, so I will set up for this AI1 channel only. So under this I will go to the setup option. I will double click on it. Okay, so we need to give the sensitivity over here, acceleration meter per second square, and that value is nothing but 102.8. so this sensitivity value is given by the manufacturer. That value we have to incorporate, and we need to say okay. Okay, so channel setup we had done. Now we need to measure the natural frequency. So we need to go at measure. Okay, so after going to measure, we need to design the experiment. Okay, other part I will delete. Okay, so in order to measure the natural frequency, I need to take a recorder. Okay, so I will click on a recorder. I will set the window, and afterwards I will make a use of FFT. Okay, so I had selected FFT. Now what FFT does in single line, it converts time domain graph into frequency domain. Okay, that means acceleration versus time graph will be converted into acceleration versus frequency. That will give you a natural frequency of the instrument, or in our case it is cantilever beam. Now we had created the design. Afterwards we need to measure the natural frequency. So I will click on measure, and I will go to store part. Okay, here it will ask for the directory. Okay, and name. So by default directory is this Davisoft and data. So I will give this experiment name as test 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 8. Okay, so this is just a name of this experiment. I will say okay. Once I will say okay, it will start recording the data. Now while recording the data, or while recording the natural frequency, what we have to do is we need to just disturb the system in order to measure the natural frequency as per the principle. Okay, so now I will say okay. Once I say okay, it will start a recording. Okay, so I will just disturb the system like this, and I will say pause or stop. Now we need to do the analysis part. Now data we had stored, and that data we have to analyze. So I will double click over here and here. Wherever we are getting the so here we have to check the first peak. Okay, so first peak where we are getting, at first peak our natural frequency it is showing 97.656 hertz. Okay, so by FFT analyzer we got natural frequency of the given cantilever beam is 97.656 hertz. So same natural frequency we should get with the help of analytical solution. Okay, so that analytical solution we will see.
Everyone, today we are going to discuss about sound level measurement and how to measure sound, how to measure noise with the help of FFT analyzer. So now, as we have seen that, as that of in earlier practical, we have seen that the FFT analyzer is, this is your FFT analyzer. Instead of your accelerometer, we have put over here the connection of your sound level microphone. Okay, and now to first channel we have put the FFT, the microphone over here, and now we are going to record the reading, and we are going to find the noise level in case of your classroom. So now we are using over here the software which we call as Davisoft. So clicking over the icon of Davisoft, we are here with this user interface, and now we are going to select measure over here, and in case of measure, this is a pre-recorded design and we need to change this design. So this design we are going to change over here, and we are going to select octave band and FFT analyzer over here. So this is your octave band we are selecting. So this is your octave band which we have selected, and this is your recorder actually. So you need to have recorder also. So this is your recorder which we have put over here, and now this is your design of your setup through which we are going to get the readings. And now going to channel setup, we have selected first channel. So in case of setup we have to select over here, instead of acceleration we have to select sound pressure, and which will be in Pascal, and right after that, as the value of sensitivity we are going to put it as 50.1, which is standard value, and right after that we are going to click over here OK. Right after that we need to go for more, and after going to more we have to select sound level meter over here and clicking over A, C and F. Right after that, this value we have to click over here OK. Right for this OK. Right after that, using this setup, this is finalize your setup, and right after that things will be like this. And before measuring, you have to go to the channel setup, and okay. Right after that, now let us measure the sound level. So let's get started with it. So this is actually recording your sound or noise level in case of the empty room or the room in which you are residing. So we can actually find the sound level over here. Okay, now stopping this, we are able to just have a double click over the recorder. This is octave band of your which is giving you values in Pascals right now, but we need to change the scale over here in Y scale. Okay, so we are selecting over here sound dB. So you will be able to get the actual noise level over here. Okay, you can see we have selected sound dB over here, and the decibel level you can see over here 80.77 dB. So this is the sound noise level of your room. So this is all about this sound level measurement with the help of FFT analyzer. Thanks for watching.